Good morning, children. Now you all are aware of the solution of linear equations by all the three methods. They are elimination method, substitution method, or cross multiplication method. And today we are going to discuss the method in which we have to convert the given equations in the form of linear equation, in that reducible form of linear equation. Today we will discuss those type of equations which are not given in the form of linear equation. Then first of all we have to convert them, reduce them in the form of linear equation, and then we can solve the equation. We can find out the value of the unknown term. To solve these type of questions, the first step is to reduce the given equation in the form of linear equation by any suitable substitution. Whatever we have to substitute the value to convert the given equation in the form of linear equation, that we have to find. And then we can proceed further by any method, by substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. It depends on you that which method you want to opt. But if in the question itself it will be given that you have to use a particular method, then you have to solve the given problem using that method only. And if it will not be given, you can use either of the method, either of the three. Here we have taken one question which is not in the form of linear equation. Here we have to reduce it or convert it in the form of linear equation, and then we can solve it. The question is 3 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 2. Equation number 1. And the second equation is 9 by x plus y minus 4 by x minus y is equals to 1. To reduce these equations in the form of linear equation, we have taken one suitable value by ourselves, one another constant term, another variable for 1 by x plus y, because 3 by x plus y can be written as 3 under bracket 1 by x plus y. So for this 1 by x plus y, we have taken another variable a, and 2 by x minus y can be written as 2 under bracket 1 by x minus y. So for that 1 by x minus y, we have taken b. Now we have taken the suitable value by ourselves. You can take any other variable by yourself. Instead of a and b, we have taken over here for 1 by x plus y, we can write a, and for 1 by x minus y, we can write b. If we write 1 by x plus y is equals to a in the given equations, and 1 by x minus y is equals to b in the given equation, then our equation will become in the following way. Now our equation will become 3a plus 2b is equals to 2. It will become equation number 3. And 9a minus 4b is equals to 1. Equation number 4. Now since it has not been mentioned in the question to opt a particular method, so we can use any method. Here we have used elimination method to solve this question. Since it was not mentioned in the question to opt a particular method, so you can opt for any other method, whichever you desire. Here we have solved this question using elimination method. To solve the questions using elimination method, our first step to make any one variable whose numerical coefficients equals to each other. So to make it numerical coefficient of variable b, we have multiplied in equation number 3 by 2. We see that when we multiply equation number 3 by 2, then 3a will become 6a, 2b will become 4b, and 2 will become 4. Now we observe that in equation number 3, the numeral coefficient of variable b was 2, while in equation number 4, the numeral coefficient of variable b was 4. So we have multiplied the value 2 by 2 to make these two equal to each other. Now we simplify equation number 5, which is the new form of equation number 3, which we have obtained by multiplying equation number 3 by 2, and equation number 4 in the original form, 9a minus 4b is equal to 1. Since the numeral coefficient of variable b, since the symbol of numeral coefficient of variable b has opposite sign, since they are having opposite sign, so we will add these two equations. Now by adding them, we get these 4b and minus 4b cancelled out. What are left? Since these two are having the positive sign, so these plus plus will be added to each other. It becomes 15a. It is also having the plus sign, so plus plus becomes plus, and 4 and 1 when added becomes 5. Now 15a is equal to 5 we have obtained by adding equation 5 and equation 4. These two equations has been added because the variables whose numeral coefficients are equal carrying opposite sign. Now we see that the value of a, we will obtain 5 by 15 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the standard form of 5 by 15. Now we can find out the value of variable b by putting the value of a is equal to 1 by 3 in either of the equation 3 or equation 4. We have put a is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 3. Then what do we get? We get 3a plus 2b is equal to 2, which was equation number 3. And for a, we have substituted the value 1 by 3. By substituting the value a is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 3, we get 3 into 1 by 3 plus 2b is equal to 2. These 3 is cancelled out, and this 1 will be taken in RHS since it will be in a plus form, positive sign. So after LHS, when I will take it in RHS, it will become minus 1, which will give us the result 2b is equals to 1. Further simplification will give us b is equals to 1 by 2. Now as we have assumed in the beginning that 1 by x plus y is equals to a and 1 by x minus y is equals to b, so by putting the value of a, which we have obtained just now, 1 by 3, we get a new equation 1 by x plus y is equals to 1 by 3. And by making the cross multiplication, we get x plus y is equal to 3, a new equation, new linear equation. Similarly, by putting the value of which we have assumed in the earlier 1 by x minus y is equals to b, we see that 1 by x minus y is equals to 1 by 2. The value of b which we have obtained earlier. So again by solving it, we get another equation x minus y is equals to 2. Now we are having equation number 7 as x plus y is equal to 3, while x minus y is equals to 2 is equation number 8. When we will observe these two equations, we see that the variables x and y both are having the same numeral coefficients. All are having 1. So we can use either of the method. Either we add it or subtract it. Now again, by adding it, we get equation number 7 and 8. If we will add these two equations, we get y variable cancelled out and x will be added to each other to give us 2x is equals to 5, where this constant term will be added, 3 and 2 added to give 5, and 2x is equals to 5 is the result of sum of equations 7 and 8. When we will add these two equations, we get 2x is equals to 5. With this one, we can get the value of x is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, the value of one unknown term is known to us now. Now, to find out the value of another unknown term, we will substitute x is equals to 5 by 2 in either of the equation, either in equation 7 or equation 8. We will get the value of another variable, that is y, which is equals to 1 by 2. Thus, we are having the solution of the given system of linear equation, that is x is equals to 5 by 2 and y is equals to 1 by 2. To solve this question, we have used elimination method, but it completely depends on you that which method you want to opt. Since it has not been in the question paper, so you can use any of the method, either elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method. Now you write your homework. Solve the following system of equations for x and y. The first question is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Then 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 4. Question number 2 is 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4. And 1 by 2 under bracket 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 under bracket 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. And the third question is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. All these questions are based on the topic which we have discussed just now, and you have to reduce all these equations in the form of linear equation, and then you can solve it. It means that it is the type of question in which you have to reduce the given equation in the form of linear equation and then you can solve it. So practice these type of questions more and more to get command.